In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a flowchart using Miro, a fantastic tool for creating visual diagrams and brainstorming ideas collaboratively. Whether you are new to Miro or just looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Miro.com. Once you're there, you'll see a login button on the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you have a few options. You can either sign in using your email or, if you prefer, your Google account. If you opt for email, make sure you click continue with email and enter your login credentials. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself on your Miro dashboard. Here, you will likely see all of your existing boards if you have created any before. To create a new flowchart, click on one of your boards or start a new one by selecting the Create a Board option. This step takes you to your working space within the board, where the actual magic happens. On the left hand side of your screen, you'll notice several icons, and what you want to do next is locate the templates icon. Click on it and a sidebar with various templates will appear. Navigate through the list and click on diagramming and mapping. This section is crucial as it contains a wide range of templates specially designed for creating charts and diagrams. Once you're in diagramming and mapping, use the search bar at the top to look for flowchart. After the search results load, browse through the available selections and find a flowchart template that matches your needs. When you've found the one you like, go ahead and click Use Template. The template will open up in your workspace, ready for you to edit. Now comes the fun part, customizing your flowchart. This step is where you can let your creativity run wild. Adjust colors, fonts, shapes and connections to make your flowchart precisely the way you envision it. Miro offers various tools to help you make the necessary adjustments effortlessly, so feel free to explore different features and experiment with the design until you're satisfied with the outcome. There you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a flowchart in Miro. Not only is this a powerful way to represent processes, but it's also an excellent collaborative tool, perfect for team projects. Remember that flowcharts can be incredibly versatile and valuable, not just for work but also for personal planning and organization. Hope this guide was helpful and happy charting.